how you can prevent your Google account from accessing YouTube. So first thing first, let's open any of the internet browser and make sure your browser is in desktop mode. And once you do that, okay, now once you open it, you need to search for the YouTube. And once you get in the YouTube website, now you can see at the left side there is a settings option in here. So what you can do is go to the advanced settings option shown in the screen, and once you tap on advanced setting, now just slide it or scroll it down and you can see there are lots of options in here. So at second last there is delete channel option, so you simply need to tap on delete channel, and yeah, you will be able to prevent your Google account from accessing YouTube successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to prevent your Google account from accessing YouTube, because YouTube is a Google platform. So yeah, basically this is how, and this is the process. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.